Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about statistical application in traffic studies and traffic forecasting. Traffic studies refers to the systematic analysis of traffic flow, behavior and patterns in particular areas of transportation network. These studies typically involve collecting and analysis of data on traffic volumes, speed, density and other relevant variables to identify areas of congestion. So this study mainly involves collecting information about density, traffic volume, speed and other variables which are used to identify areas of congestion. Traffic forecasting. On the other hand, it is the process of predicting future traffic patterns and volumes based on past trends, demographic changes, and other factors. Traffic forecasting involves use of statistical models, techniques to estimate future traffic demands, and it also helps to plan and design transportation infrastructure and services. Statistical methods for traffic studies. Here are some of the methods. Regression analysis. It is a statistical method used to identify the relationship between two or more variables. So this analysis is used to identify a relation between two or more variables. It can also be used to identify the factors that influence traffic flow, such as time of the day, weather conditions, and road characteristics. Time series analysis. It is a statistical method used to analyze data over time. It can be used to identify trends in traffic volumes and speed over time. Cluster analysis. Cluster analysis is a statistical method used to group similar objects or data points together. So it groups similar objects together. It can be used to identify areas of congestion or high traffic based on similar traffic patterns. So here we can identify heavy traffic volume based on the similar traffic patterns. Data mining. This process is this the process of analyzing large data sets to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. It can be used to identify factors that influence traffic flow. So it is used to identify factors that influence traffic flow, such as impact of public transportation, road construction, and many more. Data source for traffic studies. GPS data. It GPS data can be collected from vehicles equipped with GPS devices and it can provide information on vehicle location, speed, and many more things. Traffic cameras. These are the cameras which are used to provide real-time images of traffic conditions. Through these cameras, we can get the traffic volume or images of the heavy traffic. Traffic counts. Traffic counts involves manually counting the number of vehicles passing through a particular location over a specific period of time, or it can be done automatically and can provide information on traffic volume. Mobile phone data. Mobile phone data can be used to analyze traffic behavior. So here we can analyze traffic behavior by tracking the location of the mobile phone. This data can be used to identify popular travel routes, transportation modes, and travel behavior patterns. Traffic forecasting models, econometric models. These models are used to analyze economic data. Firstly, it analyzes economic data and also can be used in traffic forecasting to identify economic factors that influence the traffic demand. Simulation models. These models use computer algorithms to simulate traffic flow and can be used to test the impact of various transportation policies and infrastructure changes on traffic patterns. Neural network models. Network models are machine learning models that use historical traffic data to predict future traffic patterns. So it uses historical traffic data to predict the future traffic patterns. GIS based models. These models uses graphic information system data to predict future traffic patterns. Uh, This can be used to identify the impact of geographic features such as road networks, land use patterns, and population density. Applications: traffic flow analysis. Statistic methods such as regression and time series model can be used to analyze traffic flow and identify pattern. So these two methods can be used to analyze the traffic flow and identify the patterns in traffic volume and speed. Traffic demand forecasting. So travel demand forecasting. These models can be used to predict number of people using different modes of transportation. So through this forecasting method model, we can predict how many people are using different what type of transportation and how many different type modes of transportations have been used. Traffic safety analysis. Statistical methods such as logistic regression can be used to analyze factors that contribute to traffic accidents and identify high risk locations. Real time traffic prediction. Machine learning models can be used to predict real time traffic condition. So, machine learning models is used mainly to predict real time traffic condition based on data from traffic sensors and cameras. Challenges and limitations. Data availability. Some types of data, such as real time traffic data or travel travel data, may be difficult or costly to obtain. This can limit the effectiveness of statistical models in certain situations. Model complexity. More the complex models, such as machine learning, it can be difficult to predict and may require specialized expertise to develop and use effectively. Limited applicability. Some models may be designed to specific types of traffic, which can be only used to see only the specific types or patterns which are not applicable for all. Data quality. Uh, it rely on accurate and reliable data. If the data used in analysis is incorrect, the results of the analysis may be flawed. Finally, conclusion. Statistical methods and models are essential tools for traffic studies and traffic forecasting, providing valuable insights into traffic patterns, including congestion points, predictable traffic demand, and managing traffic in real time. These applications are critical for informing transportation planning. So these are the critical applications for informing transportation planning and policy decisions and optimizing transportation infrastructure to meet the needs of a growing population. To address the challenges, it is necessary to develop and use statistical methods and models that are robust, accurate, and reliable, and to combine them with other approaches such as qualitative analysis and expert judgment to develop comprehensive understanding of traffic patterns. Thank you.